So what do we do if we notice that an item's damaged on arrival or it's been opened? Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to record, produce a tracking barcode for it so we can identify it later on. So I'm going to print my label and I'm going to snap that on the item. But can you see over here on the left where it says packages with labels labels printed, there's a record damage button. If I click on there just for a moment, it asks me to scan the barcode of the item that I'm reporting the damage on. So I'm going to do that. And then it's asking me do I want to take an image from a camera or to select it from this. So I'm going to click on take image with the camera, and my web barcode is on, my web camera is on rather. So if I just move that across and click on capture and save, that's my photographic evidence. I'm just going to say box arrived, opened and with no contents. Driver was Mark Gray and he said he would take a note. Now this is completely fiction. There isn't a Mark Gray and this courier has not done this, but this is just to show you what it can be done. And I'm going to put my name in there so that we can see that this has been reported properly. So that's now appending that to the system, and that's now recorded. And if I click on all items labelled, that's actually now gone off to the server. On the website, there is a set of reports, so management can go in and they can click on damage on arrival. Now this is going to be a very squished screen because I'm recording really for my PC there, and obviously things like this here. But we can see here the one we just recorded might be recorded it, the consignment number, what the damage was, the package barcode, date and time, etc, etc. If we go into our main search, and if we do a search for 052 for a moment, just do 052 to find it. This is the item here. If we click on the report, and let me just zoom in. If we go and actually look, for example, at the pre-transit report, we can actually see that basically the item was damaged during booking in, and again, so I'm just trying to move this in. You can see here that this is part of the report. We can see our photograph and the fact that this particular date and time the package was done, the Royal Mail tracking number. So I must emphasize, this is fictional. This doesn't actually happen at all. Don't want there to be any confusion. This is just fictional data for training purposes. But that gives you an idea about how that's done. It might also trigger an automatic email as well, so that when damage information arrives at the server, it can automatically report that to a supervisor if customers ask us to configure that and set that up for them, which is free of charge.